as you saw before. And I'm about to do my makeup, and then I'm going to head to the grocery store. And I might work out, it depends on Peyton's schedule, but I will take you guys along and basically just show you like what my life looks like every day. I've been reading this book called Unoffendable, so that's what I was reading earlier. I really have liked it. My office is a mess right now. I literally just have like a table covered and stuff, and I think I'm covering it with my body right now, but yeah, you can't really see it. But I will be spending time cleaning that today as well. I cleaned my kitchen, I've done laundry, I flew the drone, all of that stuff. I'm feeling really productive today, which I'm excited about. But I'm just going to do my makeup really quickly. I'm gonna start with my primer, which is a Monet Black moisturizer actually. I usually use MAC Fix Plus, but I'm out of it, or Prep and Prime, whatever that's called. It's the mist, but I'm out of it. So I'm going to start with this and then set my face with hairspray. So I took a pit stop onto my couch to watch The Bachelor, and Peyton came home for lunch, so I didn't end up working out with him. We had lunch together, and then I'm watching The Bachelor, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store. And I am going to Sam's. I was gonna maybe go to like a local place, but I went there yesterday, and there's things from Sam's that I need. So I'm just going to Sam's, which you guys might be surprised that Puerto Rico has, but we actually have like way more than you would think. There are shopping malls everywhere. We have Sam's, Cheesecake Factory, Best Buy, all that. So Puerto Rico does have a whole lot of options for shopping and eating and all of that stuff. I'm just finishing up this episode of The Bachelor. It's the season premiere, and I've watched Bachelor for quite a while, and it gets a little bit repetitive to me, so I'm impartial, but I still watch it and enjoy it. So I'm gonna finish this, and then I'll see you at the grocery store. All right, so this is Sam's. Obviously, you guys have heard of Sam's, but this one is on a whole nother level. It is packed 98% of the time. All these carts are just blocking cars, totally normal. People just wait on the side for spots because they don't come up very often, so, or you just wait, like that car's waiting for that lady to get to her car. So it's a different world for sure, but they have good groceries, so that's what you gotta do. That vegetable room I actually didn't know about until like 2 months after living here. I was like, they have no vegetables. But yeah, I got all my meat here, vegetables and fruit, and then water is really cheap here as well. Sometimes I wish they had smaller quantities of things, but that's what you come to Sam's for, I guess. I'm being super honest, it's really hard to find aisles that are not empty. There's one girl on this one, and all the others are packed, so it's been hard to film. I just got back to my car. I'm in the line, clearly. They're over the line. This is Puerto Rico, guys. Some people care about stuff like that. Some people don't. They have like 4 feet of room on the other side of their car. So they want to squeeze it next to me. Hopefully I can get out. We'll see about that. And then also, whenever I was leaving, I did the self-checkout because I don't know Spanish, so it's just easier to do the self-checkout. Well, I missed the Sprite under my cart, and whenever I walked out, they always check your receipt, and I always think like it's kind of pointless. Well, she was like, oh, your Sprite. She didn't say in English, but something about Sprite, and I'm like, oh, you're right, sorry. So I went and bought my Sprite. So they caught it, and I now understand why they're there, because I'm sure it's hard to miss things, or it's easy to miss things when you're just scanning everything and not putting it in bags. So there you go. They have a purpose. I'm going to try to get out of this, and then I'm going to go home and let Penelope out and maybe lay out. It's kind of rainy though, but I also need to edit videos, so we'll see. I am back at home. I've unloaded all my groceries. Got Pen. She's underneath the table, you can't see her. But I have this mess behind me, so I'm going to organize this because I need to edit videos, and I can't edit with all that stuff on my desk. So basically I'm just gonna do a time lapse of me cleaning, and then maybe I can reward myself after and go out to the pool. So I have it all done. I have just my computer and my new planner. I get this from Target, and they're the best because they have this is my trash, to-do, call, email, errands, notes, and then each day there's a section, and then each month there's also, if I can find it, a whole planner. So you can see the whole month, and these to-do checklists are like what keep me going. I love stuff like this. So very excited about that. I feel very accomplished, and I'm going to edit a video, or at least start one. There is a restaurant called or however you say that. So I'm taking a break. It's like 5 o'clock already. So I have been spending a lot of time. I'm making a video about Condado. So that's like an area in San Juan. So whenever you're visiting, that is most likely where you're probably gonna stay. So I'm featuring like my favorite restaurants from that area. So be sure to watch for that coming. And I think I'm gonna go outside. Okay, so I just came outside, and it's kind of chilly, like really weirdly cold. It's like, what, 70? 75 probably. So I don't think I'm gonna lay out, but I think I will sit out here just to get some fresh air. All right, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Peyton is home, and so I'm just going to relax and make dinner and enjoy the evening with him. So be sure to subscribe and thumbs up the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. What are you doing, Penny? Hey. Hey, what do you see? What a cutie.